Welcome back. In this video, we are going to learn about customization in Excel and what all we can customize. The very first thing that we see here in Excel is the Quick Access toolbar, which is a bar on the top left corner of your screen. So over here, the bar that you see is the Quick Access toolbar. Why is it used for? Quick Access toolbar is used in such cases wherein you do not want to access any of the tools present in the tabs and do that repetitive process again and again. Instead, we can add those tools over here in the toolbar so that we can quickly access them. So how do we customize it? On top of your ribbon, you will see this particular icon. So the icon is known as Customize Quick Access Toolbar. So there is this down arrow that you can see. Simply click on that down arrow and you can select whatever customization you want to do. So suppose you want to add email, you can add email. If you want to add a quick print, you can just add a quick print. So whatever tools you require, you can simply click on the tools and you will get the tools from the list that is present here. Now, if in case you want more commands, you do not want the things that are present on the list that is given, but you still want to add some more commands. So click on the more commands option and you will see all popular commands that are present and that you might require in case you want to customize your quick access toolbar. So, the very basics are cut, copy and paste. So we generally require that. So I'll add cut to my list. So I'll just click on cut and click on add. So my cut is also added in this particular list. Then suppose I work with data and report a lot. So if I want to create charts and create charts quickly in like 10 seconds, I can simply click on create chart option and click on add. So once I click on add and then I press OK, all those things that I added, you will see present here on my quick access toolbar. Now suppose I want to remove something from my quick access toolbar. How can I do it? So I'll simply click on that arrow again and I can simply just uncheck the boxes. So whatever you uncheck will get removed from the toolbar that you are actually customizing. So it can be completely customizable according to the commands that you want, and however you want to customize with all the tools that you want, you can just do it here from here. Now you can also change the position of this quick access toolbar. So how do you change the position of the quick access toolbar? Simply click on show below the ribbon. So if I click on show below the ribbon, the quick access toolbar will be present over here just below my ribbon. So if I just hide my ribbon, you will only see the tab, the menu tab, and also the toolbar that I just customized. So that's about the quick access toolbar and how you can customize. If you still have any doubt, just view the video again once more and see it. And I'm pretty sure that you'll get confident once you start doing it along with me.